I am ready to cut out my value ice cream cone. I'll start with the cone and then I'll cut out each individual ice cream scoop. This is the part that might take the longest because I want you to really do your best and take your time as you cut out each shape. Now that I have all my shapes cut out, I will collage them to a piece of construction paper. I'm going to put them in value order, darkest on the bottom, all the way to lightest on the top. And I'm going to overlap my pieces. Overlapping is when you layer objects over other objects. So notice how I'm placing my ice cream scoops over one another, kind of covering the top of each one, because then it looks like a real ice cream cone that way. Once I have all of my pieces in value order, from darkest on the bottom to lightest at the top, I will start gluing it down to my paper. You want to make sure that you have it in the correct order before you start gluing. And don't forget to overlap. Actually, if you don't overlap your ice cream scoops, you won't have room for them on the construction paper. So that's another reason why it's important to overlap your ice cream scoops, so they look real and so they fit. Last but not least, it's time for the finishing touches. Now you can add details with oil pastels, and you can draw right on top of the painted cone and ice cream scoops. I'm adding ice cream cone texture to the cone by doing some diagonal lines going one way and then crisscrossing with diagonal lines going the other way. That makes a good waffle cone texture. And then I'm adding some rainbow sprinkles to my ice cream. You can add whatever toppings you want to your ice cream. You could do chocolate chips or chocolate sauce. I guess I have chocolate on the brain. Or sprinkles, or whipped cream, or fruit. Now I'm hungry for ice cream. Last, I'll make a cherry on top of my ice cream cone. Here is my finished value ice cream cone, going from dark at the bottom to light at the top.